Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, my name is Mirlaine. If you're not new, then you guys know who I am. So for today's video, we're doing a collab with my YouTube friend, my friend Jenn A. This is the name of her channel. So let's talk about her a little bit. First of all, she's amazing. Okay, she's really amazing. You guys just need to go and check her out on her YouTube page. She'll give you great content, like all the way from honest reviews. She has a lot of honest reviews, honestly, a lot of reviews on makeup products. She'll give you like super soft glam looks, all the way to like really colorful looks, make colors you wouldn't even think would go together. She just makes it work and it just looks so damn beautiful. Like honestly, she's just amazing like that. And also she'll give you like really nice lip swatches. Whenever there's like a lip product coming out, she'll do a lip swatch for you. Like she'll go and get some products and do an amazing lip swatch so you know what it looks like on us like darker skin tones. So it's super informative and super thought through also, so you won't regret it. Honestly, just take your time and go check her out. Her link will be down below of her channel. For today's video, we're doing a collab like I said before. So for this collab, we decided to work on with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. So basically, we're giving you 2 makeup looks with this palette. So I'm doing my own, she's doing hers. So basically 2 girls, 1 palette. This is what we're gonna do today. Her makeup look will be linked down below in the description box. So after you watch my video, you can go and check her version of Soft Glam so you guys can see how amazing she is. And I'm also gonna put her Instagram link down below so you guys want to go check her out. She has a lot of like beauty content, like a lot of videos also. Yeah, just go and check her out, like you won't regret it. So basically this is what I did, this is what I created with the palette. I hope you guys will stick around and watch the videos. So if you want to see my version of Soft Glam, just keep on watching, it will be in the next footage. Okay guys, so let's get started. So my brows are done and my eyes are primed. So first we're going to take this Soft Glam palette. This is what it looks like if you guys are not familiar with the palette. So first I'm going to take my big blending brush and the shade Burnt Orange. I'm going to put it into my crease. I always start with like a flesh kind of like skin tone color in my crease, just so everything just blends all well together. And this is basically my transition color, so any other shade that I will put on top of that will just blend seamlessly and everything will be blended really well. So next shade I'm gonna take is the shade Sienna, and I'm gonna take like a really dense blending brush and I'm just gonna pack it on my crease. So what I'm doing here is basically like drawing my crease with the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go all the way to the inner corner, all the way to the outer corner, and kind of wing it a little bit. And next I'm gonna take my big blending brush just to make sure like there's no harsh lines. So basically what I'm doing is just, I can always I went back a little bit with Burnt Orange just to make sure it blend really well all together. It really helps if you guys have trouble blending your eyeshadows. So yeah, you can just do that. Also I'm gonna add a bit more of Sienna because I thought like when I blended my eyeshadow I lost some of the color, and I actually really love this shade. It kind of has like a pink tint on my skin tone. So just go back it on a little bit more and then blend it again and everything will be nice and seamless. So the next shade I'm going to take is the shade Cypress Umber, and I'm going to take an angle brush, whatever angle brush that you guys have, and here I'm really drawing my crease. So basically what I'm doing, I'm taking the angle brush, tapping into the eyeshadow and really drawing my crease, like really drawing a line all the way to the inner corner, all to the outer corner, and winging it like we did with the shade, the previous shade. So I really want to draw like a line basically of eyeshadow. Take your time, honestly, like this part is actually really crucial, so just take your time. And next I'm going back with the brush that we used before with a little bit of Sienna to just blend it out a little bit. Don't worry if it like bleeds out on the lid, because anyways we're gonna cut the crease, but just make sure it's really well blended. You actually want to keep some of the drawn out line, but just blend it a little bit so it doesn't look too harsh. So don't worry about it, just take your time, take all your blending brushes and make sure everything looks seamless going up into the brow. So next what I'm going to do is cut my crease. I'm using my Too Faced concealer, the Multi Sculpting Concealer by Too Faced, and I'm using like a flat brush. It's like an eyeshadow brush, but it's flat, so it's really nice to cutting the crease. So basically you just want to follow like the line that we draw before with the shade Cypress Amber. Basically we're just cleaning it up a little bit. You don't need to put too much, just clean up basically the line that we draw before to make sure that it does a nice like kind of a swoop into the lid. So this is what it should look like. So next I'm taking the shade Orange Soda with just actually use smudge brushes because I find it packs on the eyeshadow really well. So basically you just want to pack on this shade into your lid, really pack it on. It's actually a really beautiful like color, like a soft color, like it has a bit of like an orange tint to it, like beige orange tint to it. It's really pretty. So anyways, I'm using a smudge brush because I find it packs on the shade better, like I said before. So just pack it on your lid, and yeah, all the way to the inner corner, out to the outer corner. And yeah, just be careful not to take out the line we had before. And this is what it should look like for now. So next I'm going into the shade Cypress Amber. I'm basically just taking the same brush that we had before, the angle brush, and what I'm going to do is basically draw a wing liner. So I want to connect like whatever we have in our crease to my lash line. So basically I'm just drawing really kind of thick liner with the eyeshadow. So take your time. I'm just connecting it all the way into like maybe the middle of my eye, and yeah, just make it really sharp. Yeah, and after following this step, this is what your eyes should look like for now. So next I went back to the shade Sienna and the brush I had before, the really dense blending brush. I just want to smoke out a little bit the wing liner, just so like it has a tinge of like reddish color like we have on our crease. Next, for the inner corner, I used this shade Tempera. It's actually kind of like a whitish shade, pinkish shade, but it has a bit of shimmer, not that much. So I'm just putting it in the inner corner because I wanted my inner corner to be a little bit more bright and just catch on the light a little bit. So I went ahead and added some lashes, but then I went back and used the shade Glistening because I thought my inner corner wasn't bright enough, it wasn't glittery enough, so I used that shade to really brighten up my inner eyes. So next I went ahead and did my face, my foundation routine, and that's what it looks like. And next I took the shade Cypress Amber and a smudge brush to smudge my lower lash line. So basically I'm just gonna take this shade to smudge the lower lash line to make it more smoky, to make it look more smoky, all the way to the inner corner, all the way to the outer corner. You also kind of want to connect your upper eyeshadows with your lower lash line eyeshadow. And next I'm going again back with the shade Sienna and just smoking it out with like a really dense blending brush, a short bristle blending brush. Just make it a bit more smoky but not too much, just add a tinge of like a reddish tint to my lower lash line again. Next I went back into the shade Glistening and the same brush I had before. It's like a bullet brush for the inner corner, and just made sure like everything looks super bright also in my lower lash line, just to make sure everything like brighten up the look. Added a little bit of like shimmer to the look just to make it more bright. So for mascara, I'm using my Maybelline Sky High mascara for my lower lashes. I use this one too for my upper lashes, just so you guys know. I really love this mascara, honestly. I have a review if you guys want to go and check it out. It's there somewhere. So this is what your makeup should look like for now. And then after, for my lips, I use Colourpop lip pencil liner in the shade Control. So basically I'm just lining my lips and I'm gonna fill them in a little bit. Next I went to my NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade Abu Dhabi, just on top. And then after that I thought my lips kind of looked a bit too dark for this makeup look, so I went ahead and used my Maybelline hot lacquer in the shade Unreal. I'm not sure if this lip product still exists, but if it does, it's actually really nice. It's a nice color too, so I would suggest you guys go and check it out. It's really nice. So basically you're done. You can just like smack your lips, do your hair, fix your hair, and your makeup look is basically done. And that's it. Okay guys, so this is what I created with the Anastasia Beverly Hills makeup palette, soft glam makeup palette. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Yeah, so like I said in my intro, this was a collab video with my YouTube friend Jenn. So if you guys want to go see her version of the makeup look that she created with the soft glam palette, it will be linked down below, as well as her Instagram. You guys won't regret it. You won't regret her content, even her YouTube channel. Like, you guys just like browse, you'll see like she has a lot of content, a lot of reviews. You won't be disappointed if you subscribe to her. I'm subscribed to her and I'm always watching her videos, always commenting. You'll see my comments over there like, hey girl, like it looks good. She has an amazing channel, amazing content. Honestly, you won't regret it. Yeah, just show her some love. She really deserves it. So yeah, just tell her I sent you. So basically that's it for today. Like, that's the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you to everybody who likes, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. Don't worry, I will answer you guys. And this is basically it for today. This is it for this week. So I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.